Before I opened this restaurant, I was a musician. I've been a musician for more than 25 years. I thought it was time to start something new. Our restaurant is called Sixsa. It means meal. Its main menu is Bibimbap. Bibim means mix, and pap is rice. So it's rice mixed with some things. I think it's because it has vegetables and rice and the meat in the same dish. It is the best representation of the Korean food. In Korea, there's a thing called 제사. When your ancestor passed away, you do a memorial every year to remember them and give food to them so they don't starve after death. We invite the ghost to bow and let the ghost eat it. Since I can remember, I had to help my grandmother and my mother to make the food. It's a lot of work, actually. I thought if I grow up, I'm not cooking at 제사. Even though I hated doing it, I learned a lot about cooking. So it's weird that I grow up to be a chef. Life is weird. We serve with 7 vegetables: carrots, courgette, shiitake mushroom, daikon, gosari, soja, and chard. You prepare the vegetable first. You cook the rice and you put vegetables on it. Marinated beef, egg yolk, sesame, and then sesame oil, sprinkle, and serve. The way to eat the bibimbap is you really mix it. When you mix it, the vegetables that was on the top and the eggs cook, and then you put sauce on it, the gochujang. Sweet, spicy, and the crunchy of the rice underneath, that's, yeah, hungry. I was in a band, and the band was called 3호선 Butterfly, Third Line Butterfly. We had some good sales, and we had some awards, and we went to festivals and touring in America and in Europe too. I was happy with it. I love doing it. I am married to a French guy. He's been living in Korea for 12 years now. We always talked about coming to Nice and live here because it's his hometown. Last year, we decided that it's about time. It was scary, but I love challenge. I don't think we could have started this restaurant like this soon after we arrived here if it wasn't for Annie. He was very enthusiastic about it.
Mon père est coréen. Du coup, quand j'étais petit, j'ai vécu 2 ans en Corée, dans les années 80. Après, j'ai rejoint ma mère qui était revenue en France. Il n'y avait rien. Pour manger coréen, il fallait aller à Paris, tout simplement, puisque c'est à Paris qu'il y a essentiellement tous les restaurants coréens de France. Et nous, on est les premiers à ouvrir sur la Côte d'Azur.
Nobody even thinks about not bringing kimchi. But nobody really makes kimchi at home anymore. Like bread in France, they eat it, right? But they don't cook it at home, right? I didn't know how French people will react to this kind of ingredients that they didn't taste before. But surprisingly, most of them, they like it and they come back.
La nourriture, elle était très bonne et ce que j'apprécie beaucoup quand on mange coréen, c'est que les plats ils sont assez équilibrés, c'est-à-dire qu'on a des féculents, on a aussi beaucoup de légumes, un peu de viande et je trouve pas ça lourd ou gras quand on sort. On sait qu'on est rassasié mais on s'en veut pas trop de ce qu'on a mangé parce qu'on sait ce qu'on a mangé, c'est plutôt sain.
C'est très bon et la cuisine, j'aime beaucoup. J'ai vécu longtemps en Corée, donc je connais bien la cuisine coréenne et je peux vous dire c'est très très authentique.
I rarely meet Koreans here in Nice because I don't think there's a lot of Korean living here. But since we opened the restaurant, there are Korean customers coming in like almost every day.
Je suis coréenne, j'habite à Nice 3 ans. Très difficile de trouver cuisine coréenne ici. Je suis très contente d'avoir ce restaurant. Chef cuisine très bien, cuisine avec beaucoup d'amour. Vous essayez de bibimbap ici, vous pouvez trouver le même bibimbap à Corée aussi.
I don't want to brag, but yeah, I want to brag actually. It's like after the concert, and there's fans coming up to me and with the stars in their eyes, like, oh, it was amazing. Some people say that it's like my mother's cooking. Nothing is new. The chords are there, and also the recipes. The important thing is how do you develop it as your own. And that's the similarity with the music and the cooking.